This is absolutely crazy. Craziest Songkran I've ever seen. Good morning. I'm here in Sukhumvit Soi 11 and today I'm gonna give an update regarding the Songkran Water Festival that will take place this year in Bangkok officially from the 13th until the 15th of April, but it already starts at the 11th. I'm here in Soi 11 and a couple of years ago this was a big place for celebrating Songkran, but unfortunately the street bars from here are all gone. On the 28th of March, Bangkok had a massive earthquake and this really affected the city a lot, but Songkran is still on. So if you're coming to the city or you are in Bangkok, then come and celebrate the water festival. So today I'm going to show you the Sanam Luang next to the Grand Palace. I will show you the Siam Square 1, which is next to the Siam BTS station. Then we go to Siam. I will show you Central World, Khao San Road. And in the end I will have a surprise of a place that I think is one of the best places to celebrate Songkran. If you come to Bangkok for Songkran, don't be afraid to get wet. Go with the flow. Let's go. So let's start here at the Sanam Luang, which is the big square in front of the Grand Palace here in Bangkok. This is gonna be a massive Songkran party festival, and this is ideal if you come here with your family, with the kids. You're around the corner from Khao San, so you can also come here during the day and then party in the night in Khao San. Now this is a huge parking space, but the whole concrete space here will be full with food stands. There's gonna be water slides, there are gonna be a lot of activities. The festival will take place between the 11th and the 14th here, so it already starts a few days before Songkran. There will be big parades, there's going to be a lot of activities here, and it's actually quite easy to get here. You can go to the Sanam Chai MRT station or you can take the Klong boat to the Golden Mount. Let's move on to the second location. Let me show you Khao San Road, which is going to be one of the busiest places to celebrate your Songkran. I'm here on Khao San Road and this is where it's going to be absolute mayhem. It's going to be super busy. Khao San was actually the first place that opened after the pandemic, and this was the first place where we had a proper Songkran again. But of course this was not how Songkran will be this year, but I have some footage, so let me show you how Songkran looked in 2022. I am not gonna be in Khao San during Songkran because for me it's a little bit too busy. I see too many people spraying each other in the eye and it's not the way that I like to celebrate Songkran. Anyway, if you come here, please be respectful. Please enjoy it in the right way. Do it in the Thai way. A very well run and organized part of the Songkran will take place here at the Siam Square 1. And this is actually where we celebrated the Songkran in the last 2 years, and this is perfect if you come with families. It's next to the Siam BTS station, so you can just walk in here. It's pretty well organized. Last year they had a long water slide in here, so the kids will love it. So when you're inside the mall or you're in the skywalk, you don't have to worry, nobody's gonna spray you. I'm here in the Siam district, which is one of the main areas for Songkran, and here they already prepared at the Siam complex. Happy Songkran 2025. Sawadi, Sawadi, same, Siam. If you're afraid for getting splashed and getting wet, you can come here to one of the skywalks, and this is next to the Saladeng BTS station, and from here you have a good view from upstairs and you can check out the celebrations. But if you are afraid of getting splashed during Songkran, then I would recommend you to stay inside because you will get wet wherever you go. But these sky bridges here are a good option. And from here you have a good view of all the party that will go on down here. Yeah, the skywalks are actually the perfect retreat to get away from the busy crowd, from all the people that are trying to throw water on you, because as you can see, the people are not spraying water here, same as in the malls. So if you want to get away from it a little bit, just jump into a mall. And I'm here at Central World. Even though they took away the big water slide, Central World still has quite a lot of people celebrating here. There are still plenty of opportunities to celebrate Songkran. For example, here in front of the King Power Maha you have a water world free Songkran celebration, and you have this all over town. If you're making a top video, top destinations where you should celebrate, I think you should have a wild card. And my wild card this year is Sukhumvit Soi 8. And Soi 8 is a place where we come every year for Songkran because it's not far from where we live, and Songkran gets wild in here. This is not a big area like Siam or Khao San, but definitely worth it. So let me show you how it looked last year. We are here in Soi 8, and this is absolutely crazy. Craziest Songkran I've ever seen. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding Songkran 2024. I'm ending here in Sukhumvit Soi 8. I'm on my way home. 4 days was more than enough. Have a good one, everybody. So these are my recommendations for Songkran this year. Regardless of the earthquake that happens, Songkran is gonna go through. It will be basically from the 11th until the 15th. If you enjoyed this update regarding this Songkran top list, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.